Today, we'll delve into the best camera settings for capturing high-quality pictures on your iPhone. To set focus, simply tap on the area of the screen where your subject is. A yellow square will appear, indicating the focus point. Now, your subject will appear sharp, and anything in front or behind will have a natural blur, giving your image depth and interest. Exposure refers to the idea of how bright or dark your image will turn out. Firstly, set focus on your subject. Then, swipe up or down on the sun icon that prompts next to the focus box to adjust exposure. Swiping up will brighten the image, while swiping down will darken it. If you own an iPhone model with dual or triple lenses, you can effortlessly zoom in and out of your scene by switching between the different lenses. Launch the camera app on your iPhone. Here, you'll notice numbers at the center bottom of the viewfinder. These are the zoom options that enable you to switch between lenses. 0.5x is the ultra-wide lens. 1x is the wide lens. 2x is the telephoto lens. Struggling to take impressive photos in low light? The iPhone camera's night mode feature is your savior. Night mode comes on automatically on iPhone 11 models and later when you shoot in low light. When night mode is ready, you'll see night mode, moon icon, turn yellow. You can then adjust the exposure time, and your iPhone will handle the rest. The iPhone's portrait mode uses depth effect software to blur the background of your photos. Open the camera app and swipe through the shooting modes right above the shutter button. Choose the portrait mode to proceed. Ensure your subject is between 2 and 8 feet away. When portrait mode is ready to capture, you'll see the words natural light in yellow. Now, hit the shutter button to take a stunning portrait with a beautifully blurred background. Thanks to the iPhone's portrait lighting feature, you can apply professional studio light effects to your portrait photos. Access the Photos app on your iPhone. Open your photo taken in portrait mode. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Tap the portrait lighting hexagon icon at the top left. Now select the effect you want to use. Use the slider at the bottom of the screen to adjust the strength of the light effect. Once ready, tap Done. Capturing perfect photos of moving subjects is a challenge. However, your iPhone camera's burst mode can help. This feature takes around 10 photos per second, giving you the best chance of getting at least one perfect shot. On iPhone models 11 and later, slide the shutter button to the left. The camera will continue taking pictures until you release your finger. On older models, simply hold down the shutter button to activate burst mode. The iPhone Live Photo feature allows you to capture lifelike pictures by creating a 3-second moving image. Make sure the Live Photos icon at the top of the screen is enabled. It is located in the top right corner. Then, tap the shutter button to record your live photo. You must consider that the camera automatically captures 1.5 seconds of video before and after you take the shot. The self-timer in the camera app allows you to set a delay between tapping the shutter button and the photo being taken. Go to the camera app on your iPhone. Tap the up arrow at the top of the display for more iPhone camera settings. Then select the timer icon. Choose either a 3-second or 10-second delay. Hit the camera shutter to start the timer. Now, get into position in front of the camera. The iPhone camera app allows you to display grid lines on the screen. Open the Settings app. Go to the Camera menu. Ensure the grid and level compositions are switched on. Now, when you open the camera app, 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines will be visible in the viewfinder. Use these lines to position the main elements in your scene. As you experiment with all the best camera settings for iPhone, you might find certain ones that really help you capture the best photos. Head to the Settings app on your iPhone. Choose Camera. Select Preserve Settings to proceed. Here, you can choose to keep your last used camera mode, filter, or live photo setting. Feeling like a pro photographer held back by limitations? Halide Mark II is your app. It offers granular manual controls over shutter speed, ISO, and white balance, letting you fine-tune every aspect of your shot for breathtaking results. Plus, its raw capture allows for exceptional post-processing flexibility. Love the classic look of film photography? VSCO has you covered. With a vast library of beautiful film emulations and amazing editing tools, you can transform your digital photos into vintage masterpieces. It's like having a portable darkroom in your pocket. Low-light situations often leave iPhone photos grainy and lifeless. ProCam by moment swoops in like a knight in shining armor. Its advanced low-light capabilities capture stunning detail and clarity, even in dimly lit environments. No more blurry nightscapes or dark party photos. While some apps excel at capturing, others shine in post-processing. Snapseed by Google is a free editing behemoth. It offers an eye-catching suite of tools for everything from basic adjustments like exposure and contrast to selective adjustments and creative filters. Adobe Lightroom needs no introduction in the photography world. Lightroom Mobile brings that same powerful editing magic to your iPhone. Selective adjustments, precise noise reduction, and advanced tools like curves and HSL adjustment let you create professional-looking edits wherever you are. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.